Hey guys! We went to the Birth of Destiny premiere event this morning and each got our packs and thought it would be fun to open them up on camera just in case we pulled anything exciting. So Derek is going to start, or do you want to take turns?
Yeah, I like that idea. Let's take turns.
Okay,
I'll go first.
So the exciting things in this set are Sword Soul and Floowandereeze. As they flow, wander on the breeze. Yes.
I hope people don't judge me for the way I open these.
It's okay. I feel that every time I open packs.
Rebuild Deer. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to say.
Reptilian Kotal.
Kotal.
Gunkin Suship Uni. Oh, it's like the sushi.
It's like
thing.
sushi, yeah. That's pretty neat. Night Flight.
Super rare ultimate flagship Burst Satron.
Just want to say Ultron.
Cupid Pitch.
Royal Penguin's Garden. Penguin card. Reptilian Recoil and Reptilian Niami. Oh, that's a tongue twister.
Yeah. I feel like I've just opened like the packs that have like 5 cards. So seeing a whole 9 cards is exciting.
What a fear.
Ooh, penguin.
Penguin.
Derek is a fan of penguins.
Right,
Pull that out for you. Another ship.
Okay, so these are like sushi ships.
Yeah, should I pull those out for you too?
Those are entertaining.
Magical cylinders, plural. Ooh, what is? Oh.
Whoa.
Ooh,
That's shiny.
Ice Jade. I forgot they were in here. Yeah, this is another one of the pieces of this lore.
What rare is that?
Secret rare.
Secret rare. Nice.
Is very pretty. Not an M pen, but very pretty. Got a Danger Disturbance, Nice Word Serpent, Brave Drive, and ooh, Floowandereeze and Stride.
There's one.
I would like to build a Floowandereeze in case that wasn't. Oh, it's your turn. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. First pack, secret
So
rare.
excited. Yeah, that's
exciting.
a pretty good start. I'm gonna see if we can try to challenge that at all.
Yes, please outdo me.
Oh, there's a Sword Soul.
Yeah, assessment. Cyanide Cascade. Ooh, there's
another Ice Jade.
They have really pretty art.
Dragonlum, Sunvine Sowing.
Not convinced that deck's ever gonna be good.
I'm gonna send Magicking. Wow, that's another tongue twister. Oh, we've seen a couple of these already. Opens and Sword Soul Blackout.
Cool. I mean, it wasn't a secret rare, but
Yeah, give it time.
Flip Frozen, Sonic Tracker, Floowandereeze and Token, Abyss Keeper.
Whoa.
Incredible Ecclesia of the Virtuous.
Is that another secret?
How did I get 2 secrets back to back? Oh my gosh! Wow.
So good.
That's amazing. Wow. Okay, cool. Your Sartic, Drytron, another Brave Drive, Fengli, the Sold Rapom. Is it a pineapple?
I think so.
Pineapple Dragon?
Dino.
That's delightful. And another Nice Word Serpent.
Cool. I need you to poke this pack so you can spawn yet another secret rare.
I mean, that would be amazing. I'm looking for M-Pen. I mean, but...
Here, I'll just pull a snowy one. Penguin Cleric. Ah, there's so many new penguins.
So you're going to build... Oh, look at him!
That's a very fluffy dog. It looks almost hyper-realistic.
I'm going to bet that is a... there's probably a story behind that, just like our other guy.
Gunkin Suship Uniclass Super Dreadnought. It's a lot of sushi.
So many words.
Makes me want to get one of those at a restaurant.
I'm thinking you're going to have to build penguins and sushi ships.
Sushi ships.
Okay, pack number 3.
Now let's go for 3 for 3 for secret rares.
I mean, that would be amazing. But... Okay. Penguin Cleric for you. Signeck Crosswipe. Giant Starfall. Sword Soul Assessment. Super rare Supernatural Danger Zone. Your Sartic, Drytron, Threshold, Borg, Sword Soul Blackout, and Transonic Bird.
Fast bird.
Very fast.
Alright. Another fluffy dog.
Ice Jade.
Disney, Heritage Light.
Super
Magic
rare.
Key Spirit. That's very
Is it
anime
part
looking.
2? Yeah.
Part 2. And Gunkin Suship Shirano.
Bee Trooper Squad.
And Undaunted Bunkin Beast.
All right, 4 packs left. We've already pulled 2 secrets, so feeling pretty good about this. Can we do better? I guess that's the question. I feel like this isn't bad at all. Floowandereeze and Tokan, Flip Frozen, Signet Crosswipe, Signet Cascade, Super Rare Bayonet Punisher, Reptilian Recoil, Reptilian Niami, B-Trooper Landing, and another Penguin Ninja.
So many penguins.
Delight.
All right, last one for my side.
Pull a secret. Pull that penguin. Channel the penguin.
Maybe I will.
Please do.
Magical Cylinders, 7-day Crosswipe, Sword Soul, Cascade, Abluptum of Despia.
Despias are so creepy looking.
Yeah, it's very ominous looking.
Penguin Ninja.
Mofu, B-Trooper Landing, and Magic Key Locking.
I think Magic Key is new in this set, but don't quote me on that. And last but not least, to round off our packs, Giant Starfall, Gemini's Lord Gold Knight, Gold Knight? Whatever. Rebuilder, Reptilian Quaddle, Super Rare Destiny Hero Denier, and another Pineapple Dragon, Ice Jade Acti, Reptilian Recoil, and Gunkin Suship Shiru. Very nice. Cool. So we pulled 2 secrets. That's awesome. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you next time. Good luck with your pulls.